Up north where the air gets cold, there's a tale about Christmas that you've all been told about a real famous cat all dressed up in red, and he spends the whole year working out on his sled. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. Just a little bobsled called the old Saint Nick, and she walked a toboggan with a 4-speed stick, candy apple red with a ski for a wheel. Santa hits the gas, man, just watch her peel. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Wah, 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 wah. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer.
You don't miss no.
Well, hauling through the air at a frightening speed, with a half a dozen deer and a Rudy to lead. Gotta wear his goggles 'cause the snow really flies. Cruising every path with a little surprise. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. Ooh, Merry Christmas, Saint Nick. All right, let's see you guys too. Ooh, Merry Christmas, Saint Nick. Now just you. Oh, that's way better than Wisconsin. Ooh, Merry Christmas, Saint Nick.
Thanks for helping us out. All right, we have one more song for you, and this is another tune off of Full of Cheer. On that album, we had the pleasure of collaborating with one of our favorite country artists by the name of Kira Isabella. Please welcome Kira back to the stage.
How you doing, Kira?
I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah,
I'm a little chilly.
Yeah, I'm a little chilly now too. This weather is just not my favorite. I'm a Georgia boy. It's not that cool. Baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. I'm hoping that you drop in. I'll hold your hands there just like a beautiful once you're hurt. Listen to the fireplace roar. Beautiful, please don't hurry. Put some records on while I pour. Baby, it's bad out there. No cabs to be had out there. Your eyes are like starlight. I'll hold your hat, your hair, it'll swell. But if I'm moving closer, what's the sense in hurting my pride? Baby, don't hold out, but it's cold outside. Oh, come on now, sugar, don't you want to just scooch up and get a little warmer with me?
He's gonna have to do a little better.
What about me?
Simply must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The answer is no.
Baby, it's cold outside. How lucky that you dropped in. Look out the window at the storm. Gosh, your lips look delicious. Waves upon the tropical shore. Ooh, your lips are delicious.
Maybe just a soda pop.
Never such a blizzard before.
I've got to go.